Hi everyone. Let's talk about the present progressive. Present, right now. Right now. So, to write in the present progressive, you need a subject, which, remember, a subject is a noun. You need a subject. The verb be, am, is, are. Another verb with ing. What is happening right now? For example, we can say, what are you doing? And notice here, are and you, they switch, they flip. What are you doing? We could say, I, for the subject, I am right, but we need the ing, writing. We could say, I am writing. We could also say, I am writing a story. If you said something like, what are you writing? What are you writing? For this question, you would say, I am writing a story. What is she doing? What is she doing? She is reading. She is reading. You might say something like, what is she reading? What is she reading? Then we would say, she is reading a book. She is reading a book. What are they doing? What are they doing? You could say, they are watching. They are watching. But again, if you say, what are they watching? You could say, they are watching a game. You can also say things with one person, like she is one. Like Julie is reading a book. You can also say something with two or more. This is one. You could say it with two or more people, like John and Vlad. Two or more, you say are watching a game. You can also ask, are you watching this lesson? You can say, yes, I am watching. You might say, no, I am texting. Or maybe reading. I am reading. I'm calling. Whatever. All right. Study hard. I know it's a lot, but you can do it. See you next time.